The 5 best cookware sets for induction cooktops, according to chefs. Sear, flip, sauté, and braise are favorites. You may have heard that induction is the future of cooking. But if you're watching this video, it's likely that for you the future is already here. However, before you can experience the flash-fast heating capabilities of your new induction cooktop or range, you'll need magnetic cookware that works with an induction burner's electromagnetic coil. While this limits you slightly, there are plenty of options. The best bets are naturally magnetic materials, including cast iron, carbon steel, and some stainless steel. But even ceramic, copper and aluminum cookware can be induction compatible with a magnetic metal plate bonded to its base. However, this type of cookware tends to not heat up as well or quickly. Number 1. Best overall, Cuisinart MultiClad Pro 12-piece stainless cookware set. Cuisinart makes its cookware out of multiple layers of durable steel with an aluminum core. For induction cooktops, a smooth bottom is one of the most vital features of a pan. These pans are perfect for induction because the smooth stainless steel means the whole surface is in contact with the heating element. The aluminum-clad design gives these pans exceptionally even heating, and the stainless steel leads to long-term heat retention. Though these pans conduct heat extremely well, that also extends to the handles. As a result, they heat up quickly and stay hot for a long time. This set contains 2 skillets, a sauté pan, 3 pots, a stainer, and several lids. This expansive selection means you don't need any other cookware and could replace an induction-safe set. They're also oven-safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit so that the pans can go right from the induction surface into the oven. Pros. This comprehensive and durable set is oven-safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Cons. Since these pans conduct heat extremely well, the handles can get quite hot and stay hot. Number 2. Best value induction cookware set, Tramontina 10-piece stainless steel cookware set. At a fraction of the price of an All-Clad set, you can get Tramontina's 10-piece triply-clad stainless steel cookware set. The pots and pans feature a 3-layer construction, stainless steel surrounding an aluminum core, allowing even heating and induction compatibility. In our induction cookware lab tests, the Tramontina stockpot was the speediest at boiling water for quick pasta nights. The fry pan was excellent for browning steak in our gas range tests, but heats less evenly than the All-Clad pan. The Tramontina set is dishwasher safe, but be prepared to scrub off some stains by hand if you want to keep the cookware spotless. The Tramontina Gourmet set is ideal for cooks of all skill levels, and is a good choice for all conventional heat sources, including induction. Some pieces like the sauté pan have a medium weight to them, while the stockpot felt somewhat heavy. As such, some people with mobility or strength issues may find some pieces easier to use than others. The handles stay cool or neutral to the touch, and the lids fit snugly. Unlike the handles, the lids become hot, so exercise caution when handling them. In terms of performance, the pans distribute the heat fairly evenly, with a slightly hotter spot in the center, and are very responsive to temperature changes. The design and curves, where the sides meet the bottom of the pans, allow easy stirring of ingredients or sauces. A slight annoyance is that the internal rivets bubble out slightly from the sides, interfering with sauce stirring. That issue aside, this cookware almost cleans itself, as one tester said, requiring little but detergent and a sponge. Pros. They conduct heat evenly, are easy to clean, and most are comfortable to pick up and carry. Cons. The sauté pan handles are a little thin and make gripping slightly uncomfortable, and the internal rivets cause slight issues with stirring sauces. Number 3. Made in Cookware 10-piece stainless steel pot and pan set. The usual pitfalls of non-stick cookware are that they scratch easily, and you can't sear or build up a fond for deglazing with them. Made-in's 5-ply stainless steel construction and internal non-stick coating are tough against metal utensils, so you can use them without fear of scratching or wearing down the surface of your pans. This set happens to be our favorite non-stick cookware set, and is safe at higher temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. We've put these through our test kitchens, and we found the shape of the sauté pan's curve makes it easy to move food around without anything getting lost along the edges. It's easy to pour from, although they can be heavy for some. We barely experienced any sticking when making eggs and rice. We're fans of the shape of the handles, and as a whole, each piece of cookware feels roomy. There is also a safety notch, which prevents you from grabbing the pan where it's hot. While you can't throw these pans in the dishwasher, we found they're easy to clean and are quick to dry. This set comes with everything one needs in a basic cookware set, including a perfect-sized fry pan, saucepan, sauté pan, and stock pot. Pros: the diamond-infused ceramic coating offers a sturdy guard against metal utensils. Cons: these can be heavy or cumbersome for some people. Number 4. All-Clad D3, 3-ply stainless steel cookware set. All-Clad's D3 tri-ply stainless steel set is among the brand's best-selling sets. Each piece is made of stainless steel, sandwiching an aluminum core. In our lab tests, the skillet heated up quickly and fairly evenly, and it seared steak nicely in our gas range tests. Testers appreciate the set's long and thin handles, which are sharply angled and have a deep indent to allow for a good grasp, although they are heavy for stainless steel. They're pricey, but this is the kind of set that will last a lifetime. Number 5. GreenPan Valencia, Pro Hard Anodized Healthy Ceramic, Non-Stick 11-piece Cookware Pots and Pan Set. Our lab testers love this set, from GreenPan for its ultra-slick non-stick surface that is easy to clean. Our team verified it is made without PFOA, PFAS, lead and cadmium, so you can cook without worrying harmful chemicals are leaching into your food. The lightweight pots and pans can withstand high heat, and the comfy stainless steel handles stay cool. Ceramic cookware isn't inherently induction compatible, but this collection is finished with a magnetic base for induction cooktops. Our lab testers found that it works on an induction cooktop, but heats more slowly than cookware made of naturally ferromagnetic materials. Ceramic nonstick cookware also tends to wear faster than traditional nonstick, but this set comes with protectors to help prevent scratching when storing.